Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make money with cryptocurrency fast as a beginner. I'll be showing you step by step how you can start making money with cryptocurrency right now with no investment at all. Yes, you don't need to invest any money and you don't need any special equipment. In fact, you can use your mobile device to do this. Whether you have an Apple device or an Android phone, you'll be able to do it. Just stick around until the end of the video and I'll be showing you step by step how you can start making money. And if you like these type of videos on how to make money online, be sure to hit that subscribe button as I release daily videos. The website that we'll be looking at is called es.btcnews.com. Once you have gone on this website, you're going to simply tap on the sign up right here. But before you do that, let me show you what this website is all about. And also they have an app that you can use on your Android device, but at the moment they do not have an app available for the iOS device, unfortunately. But you can use Safari and still do the steps that I'm about to show you. ES Faucet, as you can see, is a multi-crypto faucet in which you decide how often to claim. Most faucets will allow you to claim once in a while. We are different with us. You may decide how often you would like to claim. With ES Faucet now, that's a type of cryptocurrency, but you don't have to use ES Faucet. You can claim Bitcoin, Ethereum, or numerous other options as I'll be showing you right here. The cryptocurrencies offered, you can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Stellar, and they also offer Dogecoin, numerous options. Now, how will you be able to make money with cryptocurrency using this website or app? First, you're going to tap on sign up. And signing up is very straightforward, as all you'd have to do is enter a username and enter your email address, and that's it. Once you have done that and you have confirmed your email, you'll be led to this page, on which you'll be seeing this dashboard right here. Once you're in this dashboard, you're going to, in the left hand corner, you're going to scroll down and you can tap on earn. And from there, you're going to see numerous options. You can choose from deciding to get paid to click, or you can choose from videos. And if you should tap on video, let me open that page right there. You will be able to earn crypto token by simply watching different videos. As you can see here, just give it a few seconds to load up. But this isn't the method that I am recommending. Although you can use this to make crypto token and make money, the method that I'm recommending is you become a miner. So you're going to tap on this right here. Let it load up. And the beauty about this is when you become a miner, you're going to simply tap on it and you can leave it in the background running and continue doing what you're doing on your laptop or whichever device you're using, and it doesn't slow down your internet, and you'll be able to earn crypto token, and in turn you can choose whichever crypto token you would like to earn. After you have tapped on miner, as you can see, you'll be led to this page and you'll simply tap on start, and that's it. In the background, they will start mining crypto token and you'll start earning crypto. And in turn, you can trade that crypto for USD or whichever currency you would like. And that's how you'll use this website or app to make money. It's very straightforward. And again, you can decide to watch videos if you'd like. Let me refresh this page. As you can see right here, you'll be able to watch videos, or there are numerous options you can choose from their pay to click option, and there are numerous offers otherwise that you can also check out. You can see here, give it a few seconds to load up. And a bonus tip that a lot of persons don't know about that you can use to earn even more money, you're going to tap on earn. Show you, you're going to tap on your account and you're going to select referral. Once you have selected referral, you're going to claim your referral link, and you can refer family members or friends. As you can see here, let me read the steps for you. For every referral you and the user have referred to get 2,500 ES coin, and you will get 20% of whatever the referrer user claims. So you'll be able to get crypto token for every person that you refer. It's a win-win, and they will also get a bonus. The offer section hasn't opened up as yet. So you can see here. And by the way, the more you mine is the more options will arise for you to earn even more. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.